Greetings, thanks for joining me. I finally figured out what the brown spots on my face are. It's called melasma. This is the first segment of me testing out the Shiseido White Lucent Brightening Gel Cream to see if it will actually remove the brown spots on my face. I have no makeup on my skin right here. I have eye makeup on. But you can see the brown spots are everywhere. It's an interesting pattern on this side. It kind of missed this section and then all up here. And it's really bad on my forehead. I call this the state of Texas, or it might just be the United States of America, I'm not sure. So that is why I am filming so close up today. I really wanted you to see the brown spots on my skin because we're gonna see if this will get rid of them, or at least diminish them greatly, hopefully. It said to concentrate it where the brown spots are, but basically they're all over the place on my face. So I'm just gonna smooth it everywhere. And I'm naturally freckly, so this might not all be melasma. Oh, I need a manicure. Look at those nails. Pathetic. Even here on the bridge of my nose, look at this big brown spot. And when I was reading up on melasma, it said the bridge of the nose was very common. Forehead, cheeks, chin, it kind of just goes all over your face. It's some sort of hormonal thing that happens when women are pregnant. Oh yeah, it's really bad on my forehead. My forehead has always bothered me the most. All right, let's see how long this takes. I'm going to try to film with the same light in front of my pink Smeg refrigerator so that we have the same contrast. Ooh, I might even wear the same shirt every time, just so that the coloring is the same and you can really see if there's any progress being made. Keep your fingers crossed. I've been using it pretty consistently for about 3 weeks now. I say pretty consistently because my diva sensitive skin can only handle this cream for a few days straight, and then I have to take a break because I do start breaking out. My crazy diva sensitive skin reacts to everything. So if you watch this video and you decide you're gonna give this Shiseido cream a try to get rid of your melasma or whatever brown spots are going on your face, if you have that sensitive skin, you might have to take a break after a few days. So what I do when I see that I am starting to break out, I just go back to using my Aveeno Clear Complexion, or whatever cream you use to keep from breaking out, or whatever cream you use that doesn't make your diva skin react. So right now I have absolutely nothing on my skin. I have eye makeup on, just because I didn't want to scare y'all. So close, so close. Oh, so close. Okay, so now you can really see all the melasma. I mean, it's like here, and then it comes down here. On this side, it's just kind of like spots everywhere. Some spots are bigger than others. My forehead, which is my absolute favorite. I forgot to point out last time when I first started using the product, this right here, I don't know if you can see, I've got, it's basically a, oh, Hitler. Yeah, that's the best description I can give you. It's like a Hitler mustache. How horrible is that? And it's just these two little brown spots right here. That's melasma. It's just everywhere. So, like I said, I've been using the Shiseido cream semi-consistently for about 3 weeks. I don't know that it's actually doing anything. Not at this point. I don't see any big results. I don't know, you tell me, after 3 weeks, does it look any better? I don't think so. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm gonna give it another few weeks and I'll be back and check in with you. Hi there, I'm just getting over a cold, so I apologize about my scratchy sounding voice. I've been using the product for about 6 weeks now. Last time I checked in with you, I had been using it for 3 weeks. My face had started breaking out. I was using it morning and night. I have finally figured out that no matter what, my diva skin cannot handle this twice a day. So I have switched to only using it every night right before I go to bed after I've washed my face. You can see it looks like I've barely used it, even though I've been using it for 6 weeks straight, because it takes a very small amount. I wanted you to see what the melasma looks like on my face now. You can still see this distinct line where the melasma ends, and then my skin is white here. Halloween's coming. I might just go as Hitler for Halloween since I've already got the Hitler stash. There's the forehead. So far, I feel like it's not making that big of an impact on the melasma, but I'm gonna give it a few more weeks. Hi there, it's been 9 weeks. Have we made any progress? It's hard for me to tell because I look at my face every day. So I can't see huge progress. I don't know if it's really working. I feel that it's made a little bit of a difference, but it really was making my skin break out badly. For about the past 2 weeks, I've only been able to put it on my face like once a day, every other day. If you have diva sensitive skin like I do, I would not recommend this. I actually went to my dermatologist and complained to her about my melasma and how this Shiseido product was making my skin break out horribly. So she wrote me a prescription, and this prescription will have to be mixed on site at a compounding pharmacy. Retinoic Acid, 0.05%. Hydroquinone, 6%. Oh, sorry, my stomach just grumbled if you could hear that. Kojic Acid, 3%. Hydrocortisone, 0.5%. Don't worry about what I read off on my prescription. I'm gonna put it in the comments down below for you to make it easier in case you have a great dermatologist that can get you that prescription. So if you have melasma and you have a good dermatologist that can write your prescription and you have a compounding pharmacy nearby where you can get it mixed, give that a try. My Hitler stash is still there. You can still see Texas or Australia or the United States of America, whatever shape it looks like to you. The most pronounced is this line right here where the melasma ends and then my white skin begins. Sorry, I didn't mean to make you look up my nose. So if you suffer from melasma, my heart bleeds for you because I know how frustrating it is. It's really difficult to get rid of. Maybe once I go fill this prescription, I will use that and do another video to see if that works better. I will go get this prescription filled soon and I will start working on that video, and just keep your eyes open for it. And all you melasma sufferers out there, stay strong, and just keep being your beautiful self. As always, thanks so much for joining me. Look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye.